It looks cool. I'll give you that.
It does look very cool.
Well, it does look cool in the front. Nice. Ready? I'm ready, Freddie. Hello, everybody. I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera. As always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away. Oh, my Lord. Okay, hey everybody, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera is still Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, say some things.
Heck yeah, we're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm going to put the phone number above this Corvette. Look, there it is. Remember it, write it down, call us about this car, the other 150 or so we have at any given time, and also like and subscribe because it helps us help you, help us help you. When you subscribe, hit the bell because then you get notified when we make cool videos like this. Also, if you want full photo sets of all of our cars, interior, exterior, engine bay, undercarriage, go to our website, www.fastlandcars.com. You can see everything there, including specs and pricing, but for now, Chris is going to tell you all about this Corvette and then we're going to drive it.
It's a 1968 Corvette. It's the first year of the C3s. It's got a chrome bumper on the front, a chrome bumper on the back. This one's been a little modified. It's got side pipes, obviously. It's this beautiful maroon color with these great little flashes, accent pieces, shall we call them. You can tell that I've been doing way too much interior decorating. Obviously, the inside is completely different than normal C3. You've got a new steering wheel with tilt. You've got brand new gauges. You've got an Alpine and a Alpine speakers, JVC head unit. You have roll bars. You have a 350 in this car. You have a 5-speed Tremec, was not offered back in '68, obviously. You got a brand new little filler cap, isn't that cool? Looks like the stuff that comes on our Cobras.
Yeah.
Nice paint scheme, really like it. The side pipes and the fact it's, well, it's got side pipes and it's loud. Like that loud, but
yeah,
probably even louder.
Yeah.
It's a fun car. I haven't driven it yet. Close ratio 5-speed. I'm a little excited about driving it.
Yeah, the 350 is a little bit hopped up. We don't know exactly the specifications, but you'll hear it. It's not stock.
Yeah, it's going to be hard for us to talk while we're driving. We're going to do our best.
Yeah, you want to start it up?
Let's do it. Wow. Holy crap.
Well, it's not quiet.
It's not a Prius.
It is not a Prius.
I just like to state the obvious every once in a while.
He does. First time?
No, I've been scared lots of times. Well, you weren't kidding.
There's first. Yeah, it's got a bit of an aggressive clutch.
A very aggressive one, but that's okay. You just got to learn to drive each one of them.
We do have carbon fiber, what do we call them? Autometer gauges, that's what they are. Very cool looking. There's our 5-speed down here. JVC head unit with a Alpine speaker, automatic windows. Very cool. Is it loud enough, you think?
It's whispered quiet.
What?
You couldn't take this to a library or even near one.
No.
My goodness.
What do you think FR stands for? Ferrero Rocher?
Fucking, I was gonna say fucking round, but that doesn't.
You can't curse.
Oh, doggone it. You have to beat me.
I'll have to beep you.
You're not kidding.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey, the horn works.
It sure does. I can barely hear it over this beautiful sound of the exhaust.
What?
Exactly.
Yeah, it's not whisper quiet.
No, it's not. Well, there you go. Now it seems to calm down
Yeah.
at 4.
Sounds like a race car.
At 40 miles an hour, we're doing $2,000. That's not bad.
No, and we're only in 4th.
You want to go down this way?
Yeah. Woo! Yeah, sounds like a race car. Feels like a race car.
Oh, they did a number on this engine. This is not stock.
These seats are comfy though.
You know, you said that Chrissy's are sports seats. I'm like, okay, what's that going to be like? They're very comfortable, actually.
They're not bad at all.
They pinch you right in here.
Very nice.
Well, that's broken up.
Yeah, the sound is.
Woo! It's not. You're not getting around. What would you like to do?
Yeah, we'll stop right here.
Right here.
Yeah, and
Okay.
get a couple flybys maybe.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
You want to do them, or you want me to do them?
I'll do them.
All right. Here she comes. Lights also look cool in the front. Nice. This is not our usual spot. Our usual spot's been taken over. That's okay. That's all right. We'll just come here and do it. Sometimes that's the way it rolls. Oh boy, somebody's driving like an idiot. Oh, I actually know that guy. He's not an idiot. He's a pretty cool guy. Hello. Well, you definitely make a statement in this car, Jake.
Yeah, do you think it's loud enough?
What was that, Jake?
What?
What'd you say about my mother?
I don't know.
Okay.
You ready to go back?
Well, I think so.
Let's do it.
I love baby back ribs.
Nice.
Woo! Good Lord.
Third gear.